Before we start this video, if you just want to deactivate your account in case you want to get it back, just click the video in the description. It's the first link, or you can click it in the cards and you can learn exactly. But if you want to delete it permanently, keep watching this video. In this video, I am going to show you how to delete your Instagram account permanently from Instagram. So let's get started right now. So what you want to do, guys, you want to open your Instagram account, of course. And as you can see here in the top right corner, you want to click three little lines. And after that, you want to click settings. And after you click on settings, you want to scroll down a little bit and then click account, as you can see here. And after you click on account, you want to scroll down into the very bottom and then click delete account, as you can see here. And here it will ask you if you want to deactivate your account in case you want to get it back, or you can just delete it permanently if you click the second option, which is delete account. Just click delete account and then click again continue deleting account. Okay, and here Instagram is going to ask you why you want to delete your account. Just give them a reason. It could be anything. For example, I'm just going to select concerned about my data, and here you have to re-enter your password so that Instagram Instagram sees that you are really the owner of this account. Just make sure that you enter your Instagram here, your Instagram password. I'm going to type it, and here if you see this delete account, and if you click okay, as you can see here, when you click this blue box, delete, you can see here, and if you click okay, your account is going to be deleted completely from Instagram. You can get it back if you log in within 30 days. Okay, so if this video helped you, please drop a like. I try to make it as short as possible so that I don't waste your time. Please drop a like and subscribe. Have a good day. If you guys want to deactivate your account in case you want to get it back, click in the video in the screen right now and you will learn exactly how you can do it. It's very simple and quick. So see